Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the unable to log in WhatsApp web problem. So if WhatsApp web isn't letting you sign in on your computer, just follow along step by step and we'll get it working again. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Edge, or any browser you're using. Once it's open, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now that you're inside Settings, look to the top left and click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Third-Party Cookies, and after that, choose See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top of this page, you'll see a search bar. Type WhatsApp into the search bar. When WhatsApp appears in the results, click on the trash icon next to it, then tap Delete. This will clear WhatsApp's cache files and store data from your browser. Sometimes corrupted cache files are exactly what caused the login issue, so this step is very important. After clearing the cache, we need to check your extensions. On the left side, click on Extensions at the bottom. Now, turn off your extensions one by one, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions. Some of them can interfere with WhatsApp web and block it from logging in properly. Once you've disabled the extensions, open WhatsApp web again and check if the unable to log in problem is fixed. If it's still not working, here's another solution. You can download the official WhatsApp desktop application directly from the Microsoft Store. Using the desktop app instead of WhatsApp web can completely solve browser-related login issues. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials.